Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing a Zaful try-on haul. This makeup has been on literally since the morning. The only thing that I ever really want to shop for is tops, and then I never have enough bottoms. But you guys can use my code Aidette. You guys will have all of the links to every specific piece that I picked out. Let's try on the clothes. Alright guys, so this is the first piece. This is a gray set. Look at how flattering it is. We definitely have to wear some nude undies with this, just in case if they poke out, it's not too noticeable. My secret is though, whenever there's cutouts or like very large parts of the bottom like showing, and I don't want my thong to show, I will get a clear straps bikini. I'm sure they probably have undies with like clear straps, but I'll do that. Or you can also do this one. It's a little bit more risque, but there is like little kitty patches, but those are stickers, and like if you're at the club sweating, it's gonna come off easy. So this is what it looks like. This is a bell-bottom pants, definitely serving Maddie Euphoria vibe. It's really pretty, very flattering. Let me show you guys what it looks like standing up. This is the top, and then these are the bottoms. It snatches you up in every way possible, and then this is from the side. And here is another set. This one could be a little bit smaller. I got this in a size small, but I'm sure like once I wash it and I shrink it, it's going to get smaller. Also, a little trick that I do, which I always get questions for, I always wear covers under tops like this. Actually, I wear like covers under everything just because it really helps with like making me feel secure all night, so I can be like dancing, moving, whatever, and I know that nothing's gonna be slipping up. But this is what it looks like. They're just shorts, and they have all this cut out all up here and then down here. It's just like a perfect balance of everything. My BB Cake wanted to say hi. Hi, mummies. She's gonna get a bath today, guys. Don't worry. And then we got the bottoms. This skirt is so freaking adorable. I'm gonna stand up though, because when I stand up, you guys are gonna see that the waist is a little bit too loose. This is me standing up, so you guys can see that there's like looseness here. I got this in a medium. There's no way that I could get this in a size small, because this would just like not fit. Like I almost like I even had a struggle kind of like putting this on at first. I also really like when girls like wear like this. Like this is definitely my style, with like, you know, your little strings poking out here sometimes even. I got a little graphic tops. This one just has Miss Angel. And first of all, it goes with everything. It's like the perfect length. It's not too short, it's not too long. And I can't even lie, I love a good mini skirt. Like if it's longer than a certain like size, I just don't want it because it looks awkward on me because I'm 5'1". It has all these studs here, and it's pleated. It's tiny. It's very cute. It's tiny, but it's still like appropriate, you know. This whole fit is like 1000% my little sister's style. I get a lot of inspo from her, honestly, because there's a lot of things that I would have like never really thought to wear before, but she has like a very like alternative type vibe to her, and just she makes her own style and all that stuff. So this skirt could be tighter from the top. I think I got this in a size small. A tiny bit loose, nothing too crazy, but this is gonna be crazy with some like really cool outfits. For size reference, this is what it looks like on the side, and this is what the top looks like. What would you even call this? It's just like a certain type of style. Kind of reminds me like of like Ed Hardy type aesthetic. My hair has grown a lot since last year. Like last year my hair was not this long at all. So this is the next top. I was really excited to pick this one up. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna style it just yet. You want to come say hi again? Oh goodness. Say hello. I'm Bibi. I'm so cute. I'm Bibi. I definitely need to adjust the straps a lot more because it looks like very, it's not positioned exactly how it's supposed to be, but some sheer lace, ruffles, super cute. Let's ignore this skirt, guys, but this is the top. I know this doesn't go at all, so I'm just going to show you guys the top up close. It's so cute. I know it looks like a little girl's shirt, but it's so cute. Like it brings back like all these memories. I think it's just adorable. So I'm excited to wear this. Some super low-rise jeans. That would be, oh my god, that would be way too freaking cute. And like a cute little dainty Y2K bag. It's gonna be a vibe. You guys know that I normally hate purple. Like I can't stand purple for the most part, unless it's lavender. Sometimes it'll be an exception, but it's so cute. Like it's different, and it's just, it fits nice. Like this collar, this V, the way this opens up at the bottom. This top is meant to be worn like this, but I personally don't think that that's very like that flattering, so I would just do it off the shoulder and put on like a bunch of like jewelry up here, scrunched in the center. I believe I got this in a medium, so if it was in a small, they ran out of small. Very stretchy. It kind of reminds me of like the Dodgers. This is the next one up. This one just has Angel, and it's a little baby tee. This would definitely be a lot tighter if I did get it in a small, but again, I got it in a little bit of a larger size. but this is what it would normally look like. I backed up on this one. I know this doesn't go, but I just felt like I was too close to the camera like for a minute. I didn't grab it for the words. I wish the words weren't there, honestly. I just wish that it was made like a crossed little baseball tee, but I thought the colors were cute. Experimenting with like different little styles is fun to me. So okay, shut the duck up, because if this was just like a mini skirt, like maybe if this like wasn't so studded, or maybe if this was like, maybe just have like 2 rows of studding instead. I don't know, something a little different. Maybe if this was hot pink, I don't know. I know you guys see it. It's very like Avril. Like this is definitely something that she would have worn. This one is also very cute. I don't know what the words say. A lot of these tops sometimes you can't like necessarily like see what they say. It's cool, like it just looks like a punk type shirt. So this together would look super cute. Again, I'm shorter, and I would appreciate if this was just like this. Like when I wear it, I'm definitely probably gonna wear it like with just like 3 rows of studs, even like 2. This looks so much better, you can't even lie. I can't show you guys this one because it's completely see-through, but this is gonna be a moment. Definitely gonna be so cute and fun to style. It's just like a blue lacy top, and this one is probably the prettiest one that there is. Oh my gosh, this one is way too cute. This would be like insane at the festival. It needs to be all laced up, and I have nails on, so I can't try this on for you guys, but if you guys could only imagine. Like, this one isn't completely strapped up how it's supposed to be. It does need to be adjusted at the top, but it's such a beautiful bustier. The bottom came attached because I washed it and I didn't put it in gentle, so this is what it came out to be, but it's so gorgeous. Like I definitely want to wear this somewhere for like an event or something. This is probably my favorite piece. Alright guys, that is the end for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.